All right, well, I keep putting it off because I just don't like doing it. Some of the chores I always put off is taking care of the old cardboard we have or scrap wood. It's just a hassle how I currently do it in the fire pit. Right, when the wind's blowing, all the ashes just sprinkle around, afraid of things catching on fire, or there's staples in the cardboard, or the scrap wood has nails in it, and I just don't want to dig it out later. It's just always a really big frustration. I just always put it off. So this week I'm going to build a quick burn barrel I got. Found a local store and found some food safe barrels with lids for 20 bucks a piece. I thought that was a pretty great deal. So I'm going to cut them up and see what I come up with. Well, I think I'm ready for the test run. I wasn't able to film everything, so I'll walk you through what I did that you didn't get to see on camera. One thing I did was I punched holes in all the top here. All I did was just get a little spike I have and a hammer and knocked it through. It was quicker than drilling it, plus it just saved my bit life. I also went and put legs in. There's just two legs like this, going straight down, and then a crossbar the same width as the barrel itself. And that keeps it pretty stable. It also allows me to, maybe not very well. It also allows me to have this ashtray catch right here for it, along with any staples or nails or anything metal that I don't want in my yard. So I think that's going to be a big benefit. Rather than have to dump the whole entire barrel, I can just go ahead and pull this out and just dump this into a trash bag. Well, cool. Let's go test it out. All right, so I think it worked out pretty well. I don't know if you noticed that some ash is still coming out of the bottom right here. It's probably because there's not enough holes on top of the roof to let all the heat want to rise up. It's being blocked by that roof, so then when the wind blows to the bottom, that's lower pressure down there. Sorry, it's higher pressure, which means it's sucking it out, kind of like a venturi in a carburetor, that sort of thing. So I need to handle that situation because I really don't want any little pieces of flakes coming out at the bottom whatsoever. Then I'll probably put a handle on it, that way it can take the lid off with a bar of some kind, and then put it back on and refill it that way. But I think for the most part, pretty successful. All right, well, I'll update it a little bit and let you guys know how it works out. Y'all come back now.